in my bathroom. If you can hear the acoustics. I thought we'd try something new. It's just a basic video today. For a basic girl, hey? I've never tried masks before. Now you probably think, what? No. I mean like face masks. You know how like all those girls out there be like, I just came back from a facial and I feel fabulous! And I want to feel fabulous too. So, and I also kind of want to experience it. I've never ever had a facial mask. Ever. Like, what? And I'm going to do about 3 or 4. I don't know. I'm going to do one and I'm going to have fun and so are you, because you're going to know what it's like to have a facial mask and how to do it. Because I'm a rookie. I've never done one before. Oh my god. I hope I don't mess up my skin. Oh god! For this video, you will need face masks and a wet one. I went to Kmart, my one and only babe. That's the only place I go. It is not sponsored because I'm not cool enough for that. So, I got these 4 face masks. Now, this one is a chocolate nourishing one. Can you eat that? Is this edible? Caution, don't use on blemishes, pimples, irritated sunburn. Oh, can you imagine using a peel-off mask on sunburn? Oh no, I've never used one. Don't put it in your eyes. If you do, rinse it out. We're gonna be fine. So it's a chocolate one, and it's a wash off. I don't want to do it's a wash off. I don't want to do a wash off. I don't feel like doing that one. No. Theodore can do that one. It's a wash off. These 3 are peel off masks. So this one is a green tea peel off mask. What's that gonna do for me? Why do people use them? Oh yeah, to cleanse the skin. Okay. It didn't say whether you can eat it or not. I looked down at the ingredients. The first thing I saw, alcohol. Yeah, no. This theme is clean and elasticity. Oh. So that is the green tea. They smell good. If not, this girl gotta be mad. The other one we're gonna try is this. Everyone knows this mask. Everyone knows it, even I know it. Charcoal mask. How exotic. Got it from the volcano in Bali. Oh! This one is deep clean and purifying. Oh, I get it. Because charcoal comes from fire. You're purifying my soul! Woo! And this is that. That's what that one looks like. As you can see on all of these, they have like a little person. She looks absolutely miserable. I don't think she wanted to do this at all. What's that saying about this? Oh my god! Oh, I can't say this word. It is MeRmAiD mask. MeRmAiD mask. Let's just call it the cherry one because it looks like it has cherries in it. This one is a deep clean and antioxidant. Here's the word, if you guys can say it, it's this one right here, that word. I don't know, some sort of fruit. It's really pretty though. She looks like she's peeling off her skin, if I'm being completely honest. That's a bit of a concern. Now let's look at what we gotta do to put these masks on. Oh my god, it's in another language. Oh wait, I'm reading the wrong one. So the first one we're going to use is going to be this green tea bad boy, and then we're going to use the charcoal one, and then we're going to use this pretty little pink one because I want some fresh cheeks. How to use it. Alright, let's have a look. Let's read it. How to use. Thoroughly clean your face. Open sachet and apply the mask in a thin, even layer. Okay. Leave for approximately 15 minutes. Let's remember that one, alright? Until mask is completely dry. Never pull! It says that in capital letters. I thought I better emphasize that. The mask starting from the bottom. Now we're here. Starting from the bottom, now we're on here. Starting from the bottom, now we're here. Oh yeah. Start from the bottom, off your face, and then you pull it up. Wait, it said never pull! God! mascaras and your eyes on, as I have. And you can leave your lips on because it's not like you put it on your lip, like your nostrils. Don't put it in your nostrils. Oh, girls, you just gotta take that foundation off. So, let's hope it works, because if it doesn't, I got no hope. I should have made sure one of my girlfriends was with me while I was doing this in case I mess up. Oh, so it comes out like a little gel-like. Let's just put it, oh, that is thick. It smells so nice. Good job, people, good job. I feel like this is just a cream. It's very clear, so you won't be able to see it very well, hey? Sorry. Oh, I can feel it working. Oh, it feels weird as hell. Whoa. So I think you gotta lay it on really thick because they give you a lot of juice in this bad boy. So once you open it, you let it reuse it. They don't say that. What happens if you have some left? Maybe you're not meant to have any left. Oh god. You touched my brow. No! No! Oh well, I draw them on anyway. This is really sticky. Can you not be so sticky? Like, oh, it's so sticky. I don't look any different. False advertising. We're gonna let it stay for 15 minutes. Now, in this 15 minutes, you can do whatever you want. You can eat your lunch. You can eat. It's turning in. It looks so shiny. I'm not sure if I should be moving my face. Should I? And I will be back in 15 minutes. Yeah! My face is tighter than a gym junkie's butt. My face is tighter than a new scrunchie. My face is tighter than your dad. My face is tighter than a thong. It is so, oh, you can see all the cream. Oh my god, don't smile. Oh look, I just undid so. And I did make a mistake. It's actually stuck to my hair. I look like an old lady. Oh, this is weird. Oh, this is weird. And this is so satisfying. So they do say for you to wash your face after you've done this. It is dry, it just doesn't look dry. Oh my god. Oh, this is the worst bit. It's gone over my eyes. Oh my god. This is so scary. I love my eyelashes too. Oh my god. Look at all that. It looks like skin. That's so gross. Ew! Yeah! Oh, this is so gross. Yeah! Just get that crap out of my hair. So we're gonna wipe that bad boy off. That was so cool though. Like, that was awesome. That was so satisfying. Oh my god! And we got this one. Alright, the next one we are doing is this charcoal mask. I am so excited for this mask because I've seen so many people do it. I'm like, oh yeah, I want to do that one too because it looks so fun. But it also looks really excruciating, and I really hope it's not excruciating. Make sure all of your hair's out of the way. I mean, we have ears, let's use them, yeah? We don't need to listen to nobody. The girl looks so miserable. She looks like she's gonna be killing someone soon. Oh, look at that. God damn, be careful with this one. That is thick as heckers. Oh wait, are you meant to use your finger? Oh no. Oh god. No! No, go into my hair, not my brows. If you're ever putting cream on and it's hella sticky. You know it ain't cream, guys. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, damn, these are good. I look awesome. I just can't get over how great I look right now. Talking like I know what I'm doing. Oh, just be careful because a lot comes out and you just don't expect it. Like, look at all that. Just, oh, get my hair out of my face. This better purify my soul. Swear to God. Oh, this feels so weird. I feel like oh, this is weird. Not used to this one, lads. Not used to this one. Woo! Are you meant to dab it on? Oh, I can feel it getting tight already. I feel so cool. And we'll be back. I can't talk properly. But look how tight it has gotten. It's so hard to be enthusiastic when you can barely move your mouth. Like, oh my God. Yeah? Yeah? Oh, that doesn't hurt at all. Why does everyone get so, like, cranky and think it hurts? It doesn't hurt. What you all on about? I do see how it can hurt if you have sunburn though, so I would not suggest. So obviously that part ain't dry yet. Yup! Got stuck right in my hair again. What? Why is this happening? Damn, I can see the pores. Next is the one I can't pronounce. Pomegranate, I don't know. Let's put this bad boy on. It's not fully clear. It's got a bit of a pinky tinge to it. And there it is. Damn. I think it's gonna be a lot like the green tea one, but pretty excited to see it. I'll see you in 15 minutes. If you're impatient like me, just spam so it dries quicker. Okay, so I think now it's ready to be peeled off. Oh my God, listen to that sound. Oh, now that part hurt. The issue is, with having facial hair, it just hurts so much. Hi! So tough. I literally look like a makeup guru version of Santa. Oh! Why'd that one hurt so much? Ah! I think the longer you leave it on, the more it's gonna hurt, I reckon. Oh my God, my skin smells fabulous. And again, just wipe up excess. Yep, I got some more stuck in my hair. God, why am I so smart? That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned something new, because like that was so much fun. I've never, oh my face is so not clean. Like, how smooth is that? Oh, but you can understand. But you can understand, because now you guys can do this yourself. Because if I can do it, you can do it. And it was so much fun. Like, oh my God. I hope you guys learned something from this video. And if you did, let me know what it is. It's not meant to be educational, so alright. Tell me which one was your favorite, because my favorite, I think I like the charcoal one because like it literally had like this really cool outline of my face. But definitely the best one was surprisingly enough the green green tea one was most successful because it actually, as soon as I put it on, it just started. And then when I took it off, my face was so smooth and it felt really fresh. So I definitely like that one the best. I just like the way the charcoal one looks. And the last one, I don't like that one because it has a weird name. People out there, if you're gonna make a face mask, have a good name please. Because I don't know what to do. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe because I'm posting a lot more. I hope you have a lovely day. I'm OnLiNe MeRmAiD and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!
I'm blue,